What's up guys, this is Dave from Crux Motorsports. Today we're going to be showing you our headlight center tint for the Jeep Cherokee. This will work if you have this version of the headlamp that has these running lights, the DRLs that go around the outside. And this product basically is designed to cover this center section. So it's not going to go onto the DRLs. From the angle, you might see it's not aligned properly on the one side. It's tough to get it exactly to where it looks correct from every single angle. From where I'm sitting, this is going to be the primary view of the headlamp, so that's why we chose this direction. But I'm going to be showing you the dark smoke film. This is a dry application film, so no need for a slip solution. Steps prior to installation, you just want to make sure the headlight is washed, dried off, and then right prior to installation, you wipe it down with a microfiber and a little bit of rubbing alcohol. Once that's dried off, you can go ahead and start the application. Some tools that you'll be needing for today are just a heat gun, and the squeegee is optional. I'm going to primarily be using my fingers to apply this, and that is all. But when you get the product in the mail, it's going to come on a sheet like this. You're going to see this D. Sorry, I was messing with this. The D is the driver's side and the passenger side is unmarked. So as you notice, the shape sort of is the same shape as that. So that's what we're going for. So now that everything is prepped on this one, we can go ahead and start the installation. And like I said, this isn't going to look the same from every single angle, so just keep that in mind. Once you do have it aligned, you can go ahead and just start to work the film down. Probably will not need a heat gun for this step. It's about 70 degrees here. The warmer it is, the more easy this film is to manipulate. If it is a cooler temperature, you will probably need a heat gun to do what I'm doing. So like, see how this is bubbled up? This is actually, you will be stretching the film as you apply it down. So you don't want to go like and just press it right down, just work it a little bit at a time, sort of in an arc motion to get it down. And once that is applied, you can go ahead and grab your heat gun. This section where it angles in, just hit that with a little bit of heat. And just work it down there as well. Then you could go over the entire headlamp and just work the film down on the lamp. If you do run into where you have a bubble from behind the film, that's going to pop up at that point. But that basically allows the adhesive to work a little bit better, and it creates that bond. Plus you'll discover if you have an error. So this one's pretty straightforward installation. If you're interested in this product, the link is in the video description below. If you do click that link, we'll show you the differences in the films as well. We'll have the dark smoke and the light smoke shown on that product listing. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Our contact information is on the website, and thanks for watching.